Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to display the last trails on the ShipXplorer application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three dots at the lower left corner of the screen, lower right corner of the screen, and go to the third option, the map options. In the overlays section at the left side on the screen, you can find the show last trails button, and if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.